Well, ByteDance has just announced the launch of Seedance 2.5, and this is unlike anything I've seen before. It looks like a massive upgrade over the previous version. The best part is that it's coming soon to Higgsfield, and it could launch at any moment. The things Seedance 2.5 can do are genuinely impressive. Obviously, the physics are better, the motion looks more natural, and the visuals have improved even further. But there are also some new updates that, if they work as advertised, could completely change the content creation game. Now, the videos you're seeing on your screen right now were generated using Seedance 2.5. As you can see, the results look far more impressive. The physics feel more realistic, and the overall realism is absolutely incredible. In fact, realism is the biggest improvement I've noticed. Just look at this clip. It looks unbelievably real. I think they may have finally solved the AI plastic skin problem. And if that's actually the case, it's going to be a huge deal for content creators like us. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you what Seedance 2.5 brings to the table and why everyone is so excited about it. Now, let's quickly take a look at the major updates coming with the newest model. First of all, and this is a complete game changer, instead of being limited to 15-second videos, you can now generate videos that are up to 30 seconds long. As we all know, Seedance 2 currently caps out at 15 seconds, but now we can go all the way up to 30 seconds, which is a huge deal. This will help us maintain much better character consistency, and it's especially useful for fast-paced action sequences. Creators will finally be able to generate longer action scenes without having to cut the sequence in the middle. That's a massive improvement. Next, let's talk about reference images. Currently, we can upload up to 9 reference images. But with Seedance 2.5, that limit has increased to 50 reference images. I mean, that's absolutely crazy. I honestly don't know how they managed to make that work, but being able to use 50 reference images for a single video is incredible. I also hope they've improved the audio to video model. As many of you know, when you upload your own AI-generated music to create a music video, Seedance sometimes modifies the audio or makes slight changes to it. Hopefully they've fixed that in this latest version. Apart from that, Seedance 2.5 also offers much better prompt adherence, meaning it follows your instructions more accurately and produces results that are much closer to what you actually described. Now, I know many of you are wondering how Seedance 2 compares to Seedance 2.5. Here's a quick comparison. As you can see, Seedance 2 was limited to 15-second videos, while Seedance 2.5 doubles that limit to 30 seconds, which is amazing. If you ask me, the visuals in Seedance 2.5 look much better, the physics feel more realistic, and the scenes look far more natural instead of having that typical AI-generated appearance. The best part is that while we're waiting for Seedance 2.5 to launch, you can already get 14 days of unlimited access to Seedance 2. That includes 7 days of Seedance 2 4K, followed by 7 days of the standard Seedance 2 model. That's an excellent way to try the model before Seedance 2.5 officially arrives. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and take advantage of this offer.